Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Engineer Hussein Masabi. So in this video, we'll be looking at the question that was presented. In physics. So it says a truck covers a distance given 40 meters in 8.5 seconds while uniformly slowing down to find the velocity of that. Find the truck's original speed. Okay, so basically when it comes to such questions, okay, let me not say such questions. Let me say every question that you come across, provided it's involving kinematics, always think about the laws equation, the equations of the laws of motion rather. So provided that the acceleration remains constant, we have some equations that we can put in consideration. So the kinematic equations are as follows. So you have the common one, which is the V being equal to V naught plus 18. I guess the time you're in grade 12, most books used to say V is equal to U plus 18, which is the same knowledge. So the second one is the change in position is equal to V plus V naught, which is the V plus U in this case, then divided by 2 times T. The third equation is the change in position being equal to V naught T plus half AT squared. And this is the one where you mostly found in books to say x is equal to ut plus half AT squared. The same thing. So you also have 4, which is V squared is equal to V naught squared plus 2a change in position. So these are the ones you have to use. Okay, so let's look at what we have. So data. So we have the distance, because I've been told that the truck covers. So a truck covers a distance of that. So it's like you have a truck here at the first position, and then this truck at this position covers, let's say this is the covered distance, covers 40 meters, and that is in 8.5 seconds, or uniformly slowing down. So our initial, let me say V naught, is not known because we don't know the speed that this truck is starting with. Even though it covers that distance in that time and slows down to a final, which is V, which is 2.80 meters per second. So we now need to determine the original speed, which is the initial speed. So from what we have, looking at the kinematic equations, let's try and see. We don't have the acceleration, so automatically 1 is out. Can't pick 1, can't pick 3, I can't even pick 4. So I only have like 2. So I have the change in position, which is 40. So I'm having 40 being equal to, I have V final, which is 2.8, plus V naught, which is I don't have, divided by 2. And I have the time, which is 8.5. So if I do my basic computation, I can just do the basic math and eliminate this guy by dividing both ends by 8.5. So 40 divided by 8.5 being equal to 2.8 plus V naught over 2 times 8.5 divided by 8.5. So it makes my work easy. So if I do 40 divided by 8.5, I basically have something like 4.705882353 is equal to 2.8 plus V naught over 2. I can say this is over 1. If I cross multiply, I have 2.8 plus V naught being equal to 2 times the 4 point something. I get 9.411764706, like that. If I take this to the other side, I have V naught being equal to 9. I can only round off this guy. It's a big number. I have 9.411, let me say 2 minus 2.8. So I have V naught being equivalent to 6.61 meters per second. So this is like initial speed, like the original speed the person started with. All right, so now that we know the initial speed the person started with, let's see what else they want us to do. Okay, so we know the initial speed we started with. Now they're saying find the acceleration. Okay, so we know acceleration is equal to final minus initial over time, which is the V naught and the V. So acceleration is equal to the V final, which is 2.8, minus the V naught, which is 6.61, over the time, which was 8.5. So acceleration, if you compute this on your calculator, you will get the acceleration to be minus 0.4448235291. If I round off, my acceleration is equal to minus 0.45 meters per second squared. So that's our answer. So that's how you go about solving this. Always check the information you have. Sometimes the question could be simple, like in plain sight, but because of our mindsets always telling us it should be something difficult, sometimes we turn a blind eye to the simplest answer. So let's try to understand the question clearly before solving. Okay, so thanks for watching. Remember, if you have questions, you can always reach me out on WhatsApp on the line 077 149 5252. Remember, slow progress is better than no progress. And don't forget to strategize before becoming a statistic. And I shall push for that.